Hello everybody, I'm gonna show in this video how to make do this. Let me go grab some. I'm not sure, I think they're called like pop-off or something. They're firework. These thingies go louder. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And I have the stuff set up. I have a whole bunch back there. Oh yeah, that's one. I've set up 3. Not like one in the thing I'm going to show you. So what you want to do, I'll put my phone there, is you want to get a bottle, well, something like this, and cut, like you can get a Coke bottle and then stick that through and just make sure this don't falls out. See, it took me a minute to get that in, but then cut off the bottom. But I got all these things in this one, so then see how much. It sounded much louder, didn't it? And to show you it did go off, it's there's no inside. See, this is what it looks like when it's non-go off. It did. So I just want to show you guys that. This is, well, my channel hasn't been named what it's called, but it's Brian Gummins. It's gonna be menu or something. So this is, well, how to make these louder. I think on the 4th of July, I am gonna upload a video about fireworks. Well, not on 4th of July. So you have 2 out here. This one, no, I have one that hasn't been set off yet, but it doesn't have a string. I don't know. Let me go look at something. It didn't want to go off, so it lost its string too, so that's dumb. The video with my friend was over that way. That's where his grandma lives over there, and that's where we did it at his grandma's backyard. So this has been how to make a firework. I don't know what these called. I better look this up. Party poppers. How to make party poppers by Black Cat. Louder. Again, I'm gonna show you because I kind of like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this gold piece off. See, I've got it unwrapped. There's a gold piece right there. And you just put in whatever. Mine takes a minute because it don't like to do it. I did it faster this time, and then again, see, I have in the bottom the shooter part has to be where the hole is, and then you just oh, they don't lose that white part when they go up in this. See, look. that white part doesn't go out. This is the one I just shot. So, where's the one? This is how to do that. So, see you guys, I don't know. Videos go up randomly, so, yeah.